Hello students, once again welcome back for online lectures. It is a MA part 2nd, semester 3rd, 3.4 Indian Literature in English Translation. Today we are going to learn about unit number 4. It is a drama, it is an Indian drama which has been written by the famous dramatist, the writer, the author Vijay Tendulkar. The drama's name is The Vultures. The drama is actually origin in Marathi. The title in Marathi, that is Gidhade. It is a name of a bird, but it is a so much cruel and wild bird who is greedy or who is thirsty for flesh and blood. So it is a symbolical name of drama. Here it is the index we are going to see in this slide. The contents are given in the index. The first one, introduction, the dramatist and drama. The second content, roles in drama, which means characters in drama. Then third one, drama, it is act-wise drama, explanation in this slide. Then themes of drama. Then fifth one, rasa theory in the vultures. Then sixth one, social sickness, how it is social sickness, it is shown in the drama. The last one, that is findings, which is called conclusion also. And the last one, questions or exercise. It is index and contents as given. So it is divided into 3 or 4 parts. So the explanation depend on explanation. Introduction of the dramatist. The dramatist is Vijay Tendulkar, whose full name is Vijay Dondopanta Tendulkar, born in 1928 and died in 2008. Vijay Tendulkar was one of the best known contemporary playwrights in modern Indian theatre. It is drama, that is why it is called Indian theatre. Drama is presented in front of the audience or on the stage or in the theatre. So that is called in modern Indian theatre. He was playwright. He is a journalist also and novelist, short story writer. He was a versatile person in Marathi literature. His literature is famous in all over India. He is a prolific playwright with 24 one-act plays, 11 children plays and 28 full-length plays, several of which have become classics of modern Indian theatre. The evil in the world has been portrayed by him in his dramas. He has always been controversial because he has always been contemporary in his concerns, social, political and theatrical. Work of art, his literature. All his plays deal with the oppression of the weak by the powerful. Among his works, the play The Vultures, that is Gidhade, occupies the highest place in the portrayal of the vulturine nature of the members of a middle class family and also the oppression and suppression of the weak people by the powerful. His some famous literature works, that is Shantada, it is in Marathi, Shantada, Court चालू आहे. In 1967, Ghanshiram Kotwal in 1972, and Sakharam Binder in 1972. Many of Tendulkar's plays derived inspiration from real life incidents or social upheavals. The play was produced in May 1970 and published in 1971. This play is a dramatization of deep seated depravity and perversity, greed, and either diabolic villainy reflected in the ravenous members of family. These characters symbolizing the rapacious vultures and betraying their avarice, vices, and immortality, evince the repulsive sensibility and domestic violence manifesting in infant devilish. He got some awards for his literature pieces, work of art. The first award at Padma Bhushan in 1984, then Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship in 1998, and National Film Award for Best Screenplay Manthan in 1977. About drama, the drama's name is The Vultures. Tendulkar wrote the play Gidade, The Vultures in 1961, but it was not produced until 1970. The play was set in a morally collapsed family structure and explored the theme of violence. So his plays that The Vultures is based on his perspective observation of some cruel, crafty and greedy men around him. He wrote this play with the conviction that the vulturine instinct in man is deeply rooted. He attempted to explore the meaning of man's life, victimized by selfishness, hatred, jealousy, and cupidity. The vulturine nature dominating relations of the middle class family members is the leitmotif of the play. This play is a dramatization of deep-seated, unmitigated depravity, perversity, greed of diabolic villainy reflected in the ravenous members of family. This play tells the story of Patel family. Papa Hari Patel and his brother Sakharam strive hard and establish a construction company named the Hari Sakharam Company and do a prosperous business. Initially, they had jointly started the firm, but when the business flourished, Hari Patel cunningly grabs all the joint property in such a clever way that Sakharam fails even in the court of law. He turns Sakharam out of house and is left penniless. Papa grabs all the power of the company and leaving his brother in the lurch by deceitful design, and Sakharam is reduced to poverty. Papa's sons Ramakant and Umakant, who have already received their shares of the father's wealth, want to squeeze him to his last penny and planning a murderous assault on him, drive him out. Then they violently quarrel among themselves for money. Their sister Manik, who secretly corroborated on their plan against Papa, has illicit relations with the Raja of Honor, who impregnates her. Her brother a plot to blackmail the Raja to extract money from him, but they get frustrated to find that Raja has succumbed to a heart attack. Now both of them abort the unborn baby of Manik by kicking the womb of Manik. Ramakant's wife Rama, childless for long, gets conceived from Rajninath, the illegitimate son of Papa. Now intensely disconcerted, Manik in frenzy aborts Rama also. The horrid chain of violence devastates the whole family, while Rajninath, though knowing well that the weak person cannot be saved, prays for mercy of them. The next content, roles in drama, the characters in the drama, the vultures. The characters of the vultures think that money is the rooted cause for all powers for the sake of money. The characters behave in a wicked manner and they become violent in many situations. The first character is Hari. The main character in the drama, who is the cunning brother of Sakaram Hari Patel, has deceived his own brother Sakharam only sake for money. Once upon a time, when they were young, this company was owned by these two brothers. Later on, Hari cheated his brother Sakharam and has become the sole owner of that firm. Second character, Sakharam, the brother of Hari Patel, who was deceived by his own brother Hari Patel and then comes to demand and his share from his brother Hari. He has been made to run away by Hari and his sons. The words of Hari to his brother are retold by Umakant and Ramakant. Next character, Manik, the daughter of Hari Patel, who is one of the cunning characters in the drama. She always drinks wine and makes deceive the young men to make some money and enjoys her life in bad manner. At the end of drama, she became mad because of his own brother Ramakant and Umakant that they both killed her baby before birth. The next one, Ramakant, he is Hari's elder son in the drama, who is married with Rama and he also always drinks wine. He is businessman but no success in business because of addiction and important also. That's why he could not give a child to his wife after marriage. He tries to kill his own father just only for money and addiction, and his own sister's baby was killed by him and his younger brother Umakant before birth so brutally. The next one, Umakant, he is Hari's younger brother, Hari's younger son, who is yet not married because his economical condition and his addiction. That is why he is also helps his elder brother to kill his own father so brutally and his own sister's baby before birth like vultures. He always uses business language, abusing language with his father and family members to who is looking for the property and money. Rajninath is the illegitimate son of Papa and the half brother in law of Rama. He is a man of poetic sensibility. He is not treated as a son by his own father. The Papa, he is not allowed to stay with them in their house. He stays in the garbage only. Papa had never accepted the responsibility of Rajninath all his life, but he seeks out his help so that he can avenge his venomous sons and get back his property through a lawsuit. When Papa is beaten by Umakant and Ramakant for acquiring his money, Rajninath remains silent, though he is also one of his sons. Rama. Rama is a wife of Ramakant. She feels of pain and empty of desires in the house of cunning vultures. Rama suffers much and she is dominated by her husband and tortured by her in-laws. But she remains calm and endures all her emotional suffering. She is a powerless, innocent, though surrounded by evil ghosts and powerful vultures, so that Rama has to fulfill her desires only through her brother-in-law Rajninath. But Manik, her sister-in-law, aborted her and therefore Rama feels of pain and empty of desires. Jagannath, the elder of Patel's family, that is gardener, who is a poor and old man. Raja of Hunda, he is a king of Hondu state who leaves Manik and going to marry with her because she is going to be a mother before marriage, as well as he is a rich person. That is why Ramakant and Umakant decided to blackmail him and make some money, but before their trap, Raja got a heart attack and dies.